Trying to get the front of this floor off the toe board here. That's this piece. Been a bit of a pain drilling all these out, but you can see we're getting there. You can probably see it now where it's onto the strengthening plate behind the subframe mount. I need to get it off of there. Next thing, I think, it's not the final position of this cut, but I'm just going to cut up to here so we can remove this piece and all of this. So we're just going to get the grinder in there and take a little cut. Obviously when I say grinder I mean with the cutting disc. This is the old bit of floor here. See how rusty that was in between the floor and the toe board. So probably good that both have been removed. Does make you worry what it's like underneath this bit that's staying, but there's only so much you can do. That all needs just be kept there to show us exactly where the floor's got to come to. It will probably be taking another 2 or 3 centimetres, match the other side that we've done. But yeah, another job done there. We may have to go in a bit, one more spot weld on here. We may have to save this. We may have to take this off like we did on that side. Yeah, the next bit is trying to get this out of here. So similar kind of job to what we've just done, although I have drilled out all the spot welds here. There is just a hell of a lot of this seam sealer. So we'll crack on with that now. Right, just show you in here. Most people probably think this is really boring stuff, but to me it's the things that you might need to know to actually get the job done. I've got to cut this piece out. It's the piece of the floor that tucks in L shape here, and to disconnect it from the bit that's staying, what I've had to do, because I don't have any other tools to do it with, is basically spot weld drill in a line above where we've drilled out that'll be a plug weld there, and then I'm going to get the cutting disc, smallest dimension cutting disc on the grinder that I've got, to cut this as far as I can in here, and then hopefully I'll be able to bend this back and forth and fatigue crack the last little bit off. But yeah, just really difficult to access in there, haven't really got the right tool for the job. So we've got the cut in there and the spot weld there, and hopefully this will fatigue off. There we go. So it's not the neatest cut, but that's at least going to allow us to get the panel in. Right, just need to repair this companion bin at the bottom here. There was the rust on there and this was pretty much all gone along here. So I'm going to make a rounded piece for here, and down here we're going to make up a bit to replace some of this. We'll get to that in a minute. But what I've done is start with a flat sheet and then just put some cuts in it, because I haven't got a shrinker. So it's the only way I can do it, and then obviously put a 90 degree on there and just bent it over a pole. So with any luck I'll be able to weld that into there. So we'll give that a go. I'll try and get it clamped in, tacked in, etc., and then welded. So we've got this front bit ground or linished off here, solid metal in there. I just need to fill in some of these cuts with a bit of weld. That'll be fine. And then this piece from here to here I've cut out, and I've just made the flat flange with a very slight inner lip here, only about 3mm. So I've got something to weld onto. I'm going to weld along this line and we'll fill in where this is rusted away here. Hopefully it won't be too hard to do, and then we'll just get that all welded all the way along there. So yeah, I'll crack on and get the welder out, and yeah, we'll give it a try. It's a bit wobbly, but we'll see what we can do. Right then, that's hopefully that repaired there. Not sure what you can see, but from here to about there, new metal, and on the inside there doesn't look too bad. I think we're alright. And then on the outside we're just going to paint it, but you see where we've welded over this corner really. To be honest, that's all right in contact with the floor, so not too bothered. Also just closed up these teeth, some of them, not too worried about doing, making sure they're all done, but just so they're not just flapping about, you know. That's good. I'm going to whack some paint on there, and maybe a bit more rust killer on the inside up here actually, and then we'll carry on with the floor.